Buddy just got done with his haircut. He's all done.
Nope, not all done.
Oh, not all done yet. Almost all done. There's Ben helping.
Come here, bud. Yeah.
Are you helping Mom?
Sit. Good boy.
Okay. There's Ben helping.
Not done yet.
Helping.
I did it.
You did it? Great. Great work.
I want iPad.
He's helping cut Buddy's hair. Hi, Buddy. You're doing awesome. You're doing a great job, Buddy. Good doggy. Whoa, Buddy's tired. Ben, you want an iPad? Okay. Hi, Buddy. You having fun?
No. He's not.
Buddy's getting his paw cut.
Pause.
Trimmed. Look at all that hair.
Okay, come on.
Look at all that hair in the bag.
Now we use them.
Hi, Buddy. Buddy's tired.